NASA announces new technology that will change airplane travel forever. NASA has made an announcement about a new technology that has the potential to bring a significant change to airplane travel. The technology is a novel wing design that uses shape-changing flaps instead of traditional flaps. This innovation enables smoother, more effective takeoffs and landings that lower fuel consumption and reduce emissions. Additionally, this new wing design has the capability to increase the speed of airlines without producing loud sonic booms. NASA's breakthrough is still being tested, but it has the potential to revolutionize the future of air travel.